Just about 7:48 this Sunday. We're taking a live look right now at Sugarloaf Mountain. Some pretty fall foliage, but Aaron, it sounds like sooner than we think that snow is going to cover that mountain.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be green for much longer. So we're
yeah.
supposed to start. Chloe's just saying, she's like, I'm not ready for snow yet.
I guess it's later than I think, though, in the year. It's already late October, so
it's because of yesterday's
knowing Maine,
weather.
Yeah, I think that's why it kind of
100%.
threw us for a loop. Yeah.
It feels like snow, but we were just 80.
Right.
That makes no sense.
I guess that's Maine.
Yeah, it's been something record-breaking too yesterday. But as we go through your day today, we're noticing everything being a lot cooler overall. Good morning, everybody. With cold front that moved through yesterday, this is allowing cooler air to make its way into our region here as we go through your day today. This low pressure system staying off in Cape Cod as well is also going to provide some precipitation, and when those two meet up tomorrow, the chance for some snow arrives into the forecast. As far as today is concerned, though, we could see a few showers or a couple snowflakes depending on where you are. If you're living about Bangor, mid-coast, and then west, you could see a few little just sprinkles or a light shower today. Wouldn't expect to see too much in the grand scheme of things for your day today. And then as you look over to the foothills and some of the mountains, you could have a few snowflakes mixing in there as well. Most of the state, they're not going to really see anything as far as precip's concerned today. And that's going to be from about 12 to 5 p.m. So not an all-day thing, but generally we'll see this clouds thickening as we go through the rest of your day. Starting off tomorrow, early on, we're going to start to see some rain showers and some snow in the forecast. The snow is going to kind of mostly stay off to the north. We're not going to see it. If you're living in the southern half of the state, not just southern Maine, the southern half of the state, you're not going to really see snow this time around. Northern Maine by far getting the most consistent snowfall. If you're living somewhere like Bangor or Waterville, you're probably getting something in between, some snow, some rain as we move through there. And then by the time we get to your day after that on Monday, going to start to clear up everything in the sense of the precip. Then clouds go out of the way by Tuesday, so we'll start to get a little bit nicer as you get to that point in time. That's why we have a winter weather advisory for everybody in the lavender shade here. That goes until 4 p.m. Tomorrow when that snow's coming down. Here's an updated snow map for you guys. A little bit more actually up north. We can expect 2 to 6 inches. Most people won't be getting that 6, but there is still a possibility for some areas, especially in the higher elevations. If you're living somewhere like Bangor, maybe a coating to an inch. I wouldn't even expect an inch, maybe a coating, and most of us getting nothing across the state. So it's not going to be something that impacts many of us, but it will impact northern Maine this time around. Otherwise, what's going to impact all of us, temperatures are staying well below average here as we look through your week, going to stay in the 40s, low 40s at times for your high temperatures compared to like the 80 that we were at yesterday. So definitely everything's staying a lot cooler as you go through it, and your morning temperatures are doing the same thing as well, staying in the 30s here as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning. So definitely some cooler weather is on the way. Now with that, could be a first freeze for many across the state by the time we get into the middle of the week. And we also could see this system we've been talking about. It's kind of staying for Tuesday night into Wednesday off to our south for the most part. The coastline could see a little bit, but I wouldn't expect to see much precip, if any, as we go across to that point in time. But it still could get some of us. We'll keep watching that for you. Seas are at 3 to 5 feet. Small craft advisory issue. That's until 6 p.m. tomorrow, and it is going to be a little bit breezy on the water with gusts up to 20 knots on the water. Otherwise, we go through your week. We have some sunshine coming out for Halloween. Going to be a pretty good day, but cool. So make sure if you're going out trick-or-treating, you have the right attire on that keeps you warm. It's not going to be the warmest day overall. That chance, like I said, on Wednesday, and then more sun comes back out Thursday and Friday. So, I mean, we're mixing the sun with the rain with the snow. So
right, a mixed bag this week.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
All right, thank you, Aaron.